We, all of us, have been taught way too long for the last 100 years about business that it's a dirty game, that it's a sharp elbows game, that if you're nice, you'll get walked all over game. It's not true. And I think it's fucking time we start talking about it. The people that are the kindest, most honorable, when you're so good that you have no negative intent for anybody else and you don't do wrong things, you move fast. Do you know how many of you waste unlimited amounts of energy and time being mad about some dumb shit? Do you know why I out-navigate so many of my competitors? I don't waste a minute on fucking drama. There is no reason to be in major confrontations. The people that win in business, the big game. Not some transactional small shit you think you're somebody. The big fucking game are the people that are capable about being the bigger person in every situation.